So, to start this off, let's bring in Meena Millman, Director of Strategic Partnership focused on Teams development and startups. Hey, Meena.
Hi, Rabia. Hi, Bob. Thanks for having
Hello.
me.
Thanks for joining.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mina. I'm a director of strategic partnerships at Microsoft, and I work with partners and innovative companies new to the Microsoft ecosystem. I'm here today to address the opportunity for partners to build on the Microsoft Teams platform. Millions of users are connecting today in today's hybrid workplace on Microsoft Teams. And for our partners, what that means is the distribution capabilities that are offered by Microsoft Teams allows a partner to put its application at the center of hybrid collaboration. And while Teams is a collaboration tool, it really is much more. It's a hub for teamwork that supports all the way that people work today. Work doesn't happen in a vacuum. You need to be great at sync, async, as well as remote collaboration. People use Microsoft Teams to meet, chat, call, and collaborate. And Microsoft Teams is an organizing layer. And by that, what we mean is that it's a place where partners can build upon or extend Teams communication features. A partner now can offer its users a uniquely connected collaborative experience and bring collaboration directly into the heart of its design. By building an integration directly into Teams, partners can create new and improved processes, workflows, and go where customers already are at. And with that, they can find an untapped market to potentially target. And for Microsoft Teams customers, this ability to find third-party applications, what we call collaborative apps, allows them to engage with external solutions and bring those directly into the context of where they're working. Accelerated by global events, collaborative apps have started to represent a paradigm shift of how we work. Instead of solutions trying to be the focal points where people go, collaborative apps brings business workflows, data, insights directly to where people and users already are. With 270 million monthly active users, Microsoft Teams has become the new way where people are connecting and collaborating. They are staying in their flow of work, keeping their full context. And by that, what we mean are people are now able to access information from multiple systems directly from the platform of Teams. Since the start of 2020, monthly active usage of third-party applications and custom-built solutions within Teams has grown nearly 10 times. And in the past year, the number of applications created by developers, partners, and customers for Teams has grown dramatically, with 1,600 partner applications in the Teams App Store and 80,000 lines of business applications that have been custom built directly for Teams and are now being used by our customers. Our customers are using Teams and are using applications built on Teams all over the world. But what are the advantages to a partner about this Teams opportunity? Well, we think there are three main potential advantages about building an integration into Teams. First, there's the ability to reach a broader user, broader audiences, and build connections to the Microsoft 365 and its robust community of Teams daily users. Second, there's the ability to leverage product innovation. You can improve your application's experience for your customer, and you can create new workflows by engaging your customers through the use of Microsoft 365 suite of communication and collaboration capabilities. And third, there's also the ability to increase your sales and reduce development costs. By using the Teams platform, you can develop once and then deploy your application on any of the Teams surface areas, such as web, desktop, and mobile. But what about customers? How do Microsoft customers view third-party applications? Well, in today's global economy, customer leaders are looking not only to create impact faster, But really, they need to start to prioritize investments that are going to drive the most important and meaningful business outcomes for their organization. Our customers have told us that they value time savings, the time savings that their employees can gain through rich integrations into Teams. It cuts out the time that it would otherwise take to search around multiple systems to find relevant information, transfer that information back and forth, and share it with their colleagues. By having a quality integration that can be turned on directly into the flow of where people are working, that will really help boost productivity and gives people information when and where they need it. This helps companies maximize their investments with technology that they already are using so that they will be able to achieve more. In other words, it's what we call achieving more with less. But what about value to partners? Well, we work with a lot of startups, and many partners have seen immediate value working with the Microsoft ecosystem. Here are what some startup partners have said who were brand new to the Microsoft ecosystem and what they have found when they've started working with Microsoft, and really how being and belonging into the Microsoft Teams ecosystem has made a significant impact to their business. But we all can also look at actual numbers from a broader base of our partners. Here are some statistics about how Teams has driven meaningful growth for all of our partners. Partners have reported to us that they have seen increased number of deals, increased deal sizes, and new revenue streams when they build and integrate their solutions into Microsoft Teams. But now that we've looked at some numbers, let's look at some specific examples. First up is La Toolbox. La Toolbox is an example of a partner who has grown their revenue by offering their solutions inside of Teams and taking advantage of the SaaS Microsoft commercial marketplaces. La Toolbox is a legal SaaS software company. It automates legal deadlines for courts and agencies and streamlines workflows for law firms. La Toolbox enables legal counsel to collaborate with their clients on a modern, secure platform. Because now La Toolbox's customers can keep their data secure in their Microsoft 365 tenant while using the partner's solution. The partner has also leveraged the Microsoft commercial marketplaces, and they've been able to reach new customers. In fact, they've told us that they've doubled revenue in 2 months. And over 12 months, they were able to see a 10 times growth. That's significant growth, a significant growth for the partner and new workflows enabled for our customers through their applications for law firms on the Teams platform. A second example is a young company called Breakthrough. Breakthrough offers a tiny break-taking tool, and they recently launched a custom-built application that they built specifically for Teams on the Teams platform. And through that, they have seen enterprise adoption and a rapid growth of users for their solutions with all sorts of customers. And customers, for example, like Lululemon. Breakthrough has been able to gain over 112,000 monthly active users in 65 countries through the scale of Microsoft 365 and the Teams platform. And finally, we go to another example of a company, Mural, who is leveraging our Microsoft technology and our commercial marketplaces to grow and accelerate at scale. Mural is a collaborative intelligence company, and by being a Microsoft ISV partner, Mural has seen an increasing number of Microsoft-influenced opportunities. This allows Mural to deliver customer value and seamless integration within a single platform on an increasingly global basis. Mural has been able to reach joint customers and grow their scale alongside Microsoft by taking advantage of the vast reach of Microsoft's platform and our marketplaces. So what are the takeaways? Well, first, I think you should learn how to build a quality Teams application. Over the course of today's App Camp, you're going to learn about technical aspects of how to build or reuse portions of your existing applications to run in Teams. You want to take advantage of these extensible features of Teams to make your solution the best to meet your customers' unique needs. Also, I suggest watching this roundtable discussion. We have a panel of experts who are going to be discussing monetizing your application through our commercial marketplace in the later portion of today's App Camp. You're going to want to be able to leverage the scale and reach of these marketplaces so that you can tap into new customers and transact business efficiently and seamlessly. And then, finally, when you're ready to build your application, apply to the Microsoft 365 ISV Benefits Success Program. There, you can take advantage of any build incentives and marketing benefits that you might be eligible for. But I encourage you to read requirements and be aware that there are often time limits associated with them. So choose your time accordingly. And lastly, but not least, for all the startups out there, I want to encourage you to apply to Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub. Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub brings people knowledge and benefits together to help startups at every part of their journey. Sign up is seamless and is easy, and there's no funding required. And with that, I hope you enjoy the rest of today's App Camp, and I hope to see many new Teams applications in the store soon. Thanks. Over to you, Bob and Rabia.
Thanks so much.